Hello, it's Jodie from Ellis. We're here today at 26 Grampian Way in a quiet cul-de-sac on the outskirts of Long Eaton. The 2-bedroom townhouse property is still close to local amenities and transport links. Should we go and have a look? We're now in the living room, and as you can see, the property has been fully redecorated throughout. Also has new carpet, which is lovely. We have feature fireplace in the living room, and the property also benefits from being fully UPVC double glazed throughout and has gas central heating. Follow me through to the kitchen. We're now in the large breakfast kitchen with a handy breakfast bar. The kitchen comprises of wooden effect wall and base units with a modern black marble style rolled edge worktop. It also has a 4-ring stainless steel gas hob, sink and matching extractor fan, and an AEG fan assisted oven. We're now in the first of 2 bedrooms. This one benefits from inbuilt storage, large wardrobe. As you can see, the nice and light has all been freshly decorated. Let's take a look at the second bedroom. The property benefits from being end of chain, and I feel this would suit a first-time buyer. It ticks many boxes with large driveway, private rear garden and having a nice breakfast kitchen, and with the added bonus of being fully redecorated and recarpeted throughout. If you'd like to book a viewing, please contact us via phone, or via email or online. Thank you. Bye.